Hi guys, welcome to Indra's Kitchen. Today I will be making curry chicken and potatoes. Here I have a 5-pound pack of boneless chicken thighs. So next guys, I will cut up the chicken thighs into small pieces and wash the chicken with some lemon juice and have them ready for seasoning. Okay guys, see you in the next step. Guys, let's go over the ingredients. Here I have 3 tablespoons of green seasoning, 1 small onion chop, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin powder, a piece of hot pepper, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 chicken bouillon. Next guys, I'm gonna add in all those ingredients into the chicken, mix well and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Guys, I reserve the oil for later in the cooking process. Guys, I have 6 potatoes I am going to peel and chop into medium-sized pieces. Next step guys is the cooking process. My pot is on medium heat, so next I am going to add in the oil and the chicken to the pot. Next guys, I'm gonna cover the pot and let the chicken cook for about 5 minutes. Next I'm gonna come back and add in the hot water and the potatoes. Next guys, I'm gonna add in the potatoes. Next guys, I'm going to add in the hot water to cover the chicken and potatoes and cook for about 20 minutes. Guys, the curry chicken and potato is done cooking, so next I'm gonna plate it up and show you what it look like. There you have it, guys. The curry chicken and potato came out amazing and super delicious. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.